Hi everyone, this is me again. This is Christian. We're gonna continue with the video. Let's try to let's try to add um, the answer. Okay. So now we're gonna create the table of answers. Being honest, this video is going to be even faster than the other one because um, as the time passes, we are gaining experience. Okay. So we're gonna start here. Let's go to the Jonah Chronicles, close here, and you can see, for example, that we have the questions, we have the answers, and in the answers, we don't have anything. Okay, because what we're showing is the question. There is another video that I am trying to process that will show you the process of everything that I'm doing. But what we're gonna do now is just to make this application able to add the answer. Okay, let's go here, and as you can see, if I put something here, I wanted just to add it to the database. As simple as that. So let's go here to the whiteboard that we had, and in the whiteboard, I am going to make this the same thing that I did before. I'm going to take this square. I don't know why it is not writing as expected. Okay, let's wait for a second. Mm, 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 mm. Being honest, I don't like that this is taking too much time. So what I'm going to do is just to create the database directly, okay? Um, let's go here to the PHP MyAdmin, and in here, actually the table is created. I was not in need to do the sketch of this. So let's see like the structure the structure of this here. And you can see, for example, question related and user answer in original answer. Okay, let's just add an answer. I will tell you a secret. Every question will have its answer. There will not be any question without the answer added, because there is not like logic, into having a program that only focus on getting the answers. of other people. That would not be a game. That would be maybe a survey. You know what is a survey? A survey is when you make you take a paper and just start writing what people is saying, or what people uh, think about a topic or something like that. That is not the purpose here. The purpose here is that the admin of the game, he will be able to see the answer of the people, of the person, and all the users, and he will be able to put that if it is correct or if it is not correct. Let's do it. First, let's add here an answer. That's super. That will be super simple. We just have to click on here and hit on insert, and after that, we're gonna put, for example, the user answer is not the one that we want to put. By the way, we have to put some things in null, okay? Just like in questions. I told you before in the other video that this table would be like a copy of um, of the answers question. So let's go here and make a change. These two can be null, okay? Let's change it, and they can be null. What it means that it can be empty, at least at the beginning. It can be empty, and it will not be like something like that is going to stop the game. If there is a question that has not an answer set, it will not stop the game. But as I told you before, the purpose is that every question has its answer. Okay, so after we have that like set and corrected, if you want, I can copy this and put it on a notepad just in case that you say, oh no, Reynolds, you are going too fast and that is making it everything for you. Actually, that is not making everything for me, but it's that making it saving time for me. So let's add the question here. Sorry, the answer here. Insert, and now the user answer can stay null. The question related ID, that is the interesting part here. Here I can choose which is the question. And whatever it is, it is the first. As you can see, the index is 1. So I will choose this one. And the original answer, let me put it like this, because there are people that use this in their favor, and I am getting tired of that. Original answer txt. Here we are gonna put, for example, let's see. For example, we should know. Let the commandment or what God says us to do in delay mode, for example, or into delaying. Delaying is like okay, I'm going to do it later. Okay, there's no problem with it. That was kind of what David did, and that was the problem with it. So we're gonna hit on continue, and as you can see, it was added. So the this is the nice part. Now we're going to get this same table, and we're going to add the user answer. From where? From the front end, and that is going to be cool. Okay, let's do it. Let's go here to did you see the controller? I'm going to create another controller that is going to be, for example, uploads. And in the uploads, I will put formulary controller dot php. Being honest, this should be object oriented, but I am not doing it object oriented completely by the moment because it may take more time than the time that I wanted to take for the moment. Because if there is a is there if you have to choose between doing something fast when you know that it's going to be good and it's going to be easy for you to do it, then do it. Don't delay it just because you wanted to make it in a huger way. That is the problem. Okay, let's go here. And here I'm just going to receive the data. Let's put here just like an array print r post that comma. And let's go to, let's see, where I was. Let me close this, let me close this, and close this. Let me go here. Okay. As you can see, this is the answer, and this is the submit button. The submit button has a name that is send question answer submit. That will be important, okay? But let's just put the as you can see here, I have a data controller, but I don't want that. I mean, the data controller is not exactly what I want. What I wanted to point is to the uploads formulary controller.php. And being honest, maybe this can be just like this because this view is being called from the index, of the web. Okay, so it is just as simple as that. Let's see if it is going to work. Let's update here and let's add the answer. For example, no, because God can't be fooled. It is written. PSD, Jesus, and me. Send formulary. And as you can see, I received the send question answer submit. But being honest, I want to receive more than that. I want to receive everything. I mean, I want the question, I want all those things, but apparently the verse, for example, doesn't have a name. All those inputs does not have an identification. So let's put the identification. It's going to be super simple. Let's put it here. Name. And let's go here. Input. Name. And this is going to be answer. Yeah. Let me see. Yes. This is going to be the answer. Answer. And as simple as that. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to send it again. Why I can hit on set again? Simply because PHP is server side. So, sorry, I remember something. I have modified the HTML, so I have to refresh the page, even though I thought that I was not on that need because it is written, Jesus Christ can't be fooled. Send formulary, and there you go. Being honest, I will leave it until here. Not because I can't continue, but because I wanted to make the videos maybe even shorter, just uh, not to put on temptation uh, the capacity of the computer that God gave me, which was Jesus Christ, even though it was using a man that thinks that he's a God, but that is another story. See you in the next video. Bye bye.